To add a checkbox like this in your PDF, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat and then go to Tools. In here under Forms and Signatures, click on Prepare a Form. Now here select Checkbox. And now draw your checkbox. Here you can add your checkbox field name. You can also make the checkbox required by checking this option. Then click on All Properties. Here under General, you can change your checkbox name. You can add here a tooltip. Then go to Appearance. Here you can change your checkbox border color and your thickness. And fill color, if you want to add a background to your checkbox, you can select it from here. In my case, I'm just turning off background. Then go to Position. Here you can change your position. Then go to Options and Checkbox Style. Make sure to select your checkbox. And here Export Value, you can change it. Then close, preview, and here as you can see I've successfully added the checkbox.